So here we need to find out the value of these three trig functions: sine x over 2, cosine of x over 2, and tangent of x over 2. Whenever the value of sine of x was given to us, and it's also given that x lies in the second quadrant. So let us begin. So what we'll do, we'll start with the condition that x lies in the second quadrant, which means that the value of x is going to lie between pi over 2 radians and pi radians. What we'll do, we're going to divide throughout with 2, so that gives us pi over 4 less than x over 2 less than or equals to pi over 2, meaning pi over 2 lies in the first quadrant. So let's write it down. So here this implies that pi over 2 lies in the first quadrant, so quadrant number 1. Now the reason why we've found out this particular concept here, because x over 2 lying in the first quadrant tells us that all the trig functions are going to give us a positive value, because in the first quadrant all trig functions are positive in nature. Okay, so let us begin. Now what we'll do, we need to find out the value of sine x over 2. Sine x over 2 has a standard formula given by plus or minus the square root of 1 minus cosine of angle x over 2. Now we need to find out the value of cosine of x. Here we are only provided with the value of sine of x. So let's use this value. So we have the value of sine of x given by 1 over 4. Now to find out the value of cosine x, we have a formula for this. We have plus or minus the square root of 1 minus sine squared x. So when we replace the value of sine x with 1 over 4, we should get the value of cosine x, and that is going to give us square root of 15 over 4. However, we will get two values. One could be positive or negative. So here we'll go to the condition that x lies in the second quadrant. And the second quadrant, our cosine function is negative. Only the sine and its reciprocal, the cosecant function, these two trig functions are positive. Everything else are negative. So that means cosine of x is going to correspond to negative square root of 15 over 4. So when you substitute this value of cosine x with negative square root of 15 over 4, then we get the value of sine x over 2, and we'll only consider the positive value because x over 2 lies in the first quadrant. So sine x over 2 comes out to be, so we have square root of 4 plus square root of 15 divided by 8. Now what we'll do, we'll try to find out the value of cosine of x over 2, which is given by plus or minus the square root of 1 plus cosine of x over 2. So here also we'll only consider the positive value, and when you substitute cosine of x with negative square root of 15 over 4, this is going to give us a value square root of 4 minus square root of 15 divided by 8. So we have successfully obtained the value of cosine of x over 2 as well. And finally, we will find out the value of tangent of x over 2. All we have to do is take the ratio sine x over 2 over cosine of x over 2. And we use this value that we have obtained just now. We should get the square root of 4 plus square root of 15 divided by 4 minus square root of 15. And simplifying this is going to give us 4 plus square root of 15. So that's going to be the value of tangent of x over 2.